Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Ford Mustang GT in Ingot Silver on red leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look. So here's the trunk area on a Mustang. So fair size for a sports car. Definitely a few duffel bags can fit in there. We do have the front plate mount here, so you can choose whether you want to put it back on or not. We've got the spare tire and the tool there, so that's great. Have a look in the seams. Nice and tidy on this one, looks good. And we'll go ahead and close the trunk lid. Step back here so you can see from the rear. So it's got the nice matte black over the top stripes that go up and over the hood. Looks fantastic. We've got the deck lid spoiler with the reverse camera in it. We've got the GT chrome logo there with the piano glass surround. And we've got parking sensors. So those circular sensors there on the bumper will allow the car to beep to inform you when you're getting close to items behind you. It's got performance pipes on it, so they're actually called pipes. So there's one of them there, there's the other one on the other side. Looks great, sounds great. And we've got the nice LED sequential tail lights as well. So we'll shift around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice silver wheels, red painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Pirelli tires on there too. Over on the passenger side, we've got the red leather insert with the chrome pony. We've got the chrome door handle, power locks, power windows, and on the mirror we do have heated mirrors with the convex mirror there on the corner as well. So here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. It's got the illuminated Mustang logo there as well. And for the power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up and down, and a manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And let's pull this one forward for a moment. Here's the back seat. It's got the nice red leather as well with those white inserts. Does not look like anyone has sat back here. It's in great shape, as you can see. So we'll fold the seat back. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll have a look here in the glove box. So in the glove box, we've got the books, and I got the wheel lock key over here. So that's great. We've got this nice design here on the dash. Looks really nice. Chrome surround around the vent, and I'll show you the dash on the top here so you can see the condition. Looks good. So let's hop out. We'll close this side up and just step to the back of the vehicle, and we'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. It's got the GT matte black stripe along the just above the rocker there. Looks great. And here's your front wheel. So again, silver wheels, red painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Pirelli tires. And then just over here, you've got your chrome 5-liter badge and your GT logo down below. So we'll shift around to the front. I'll let you have a look under the hood. So we've got the V8 5-liter motor, which is 412 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. We've got the strut tower brace with the Mustang GT logo on the top, and we've got a Roush cold air intake over here as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, and I'll let you have a look from the front. So there it is from the front with those nice matte black stripes. We've got the projector HID headlights, LED daytime running lights, and we've got projector fog lights as well. And we've got the chrome badge there. And I'll just let you have a close look at the front end so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape. And let me see. So there is a little stone chip here that's been touched up. And see, there's one right here as well. Outside of that, it's in really good shape. I love the silver vents. Looks great. So we'll just shift around. We'll have a look at the other front wheel. So there it is again, silver wheels, red painted calipers, painted rotors, and Pirelli tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So up top, we've got our power mirrors. We've got our power locks, chrome door handle, chrome pony, power windows, and chrome surround around the speaker. So here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in good shape as well, as you can see, and again it is an illuminated panel. So we've got power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, manual recline, and I'll go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in good shape. So let's get in. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. issues here on the dash. Over on this side, we've got our cruise controls. We've got our arrow keys, which work the dash. You've got gauge mode, trip mode, fuel economy. This one has the track apps, so accelerometer, acceleration timer, brake performance. So that's all there, settings, information. On this side, you got voice command, telephone hang up, music controls, volume, and track change. Over on this side here, we've got headlights with fog lights. We've got the dimmer switch for the dash. We've got our wiper stock, and then the release is just down here for the steering wheel, and it is tilt. So it's a tilt wheel, so that's great. We've got a turn key. We've got 2 keys for the car. And then over here, we've got a 12-volt socket. And then we've got our full navigation screen here. So if I hit map, there's your nav. If I turn the headlights off, there's your daytime map. If I go radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, radio works nice. Media, so you can do media, CD, jukebox, and if we go over here to climate, you can display your climate controls up here as well. You can go back to home, turn that back off. So it is a shaker system, and then you've got heated seats. So there's a heated seat for the driver, heated seat for the passenger, and then this is our 6-speed automatic shifter. We do have a manual shift mode here on the side. You've got traction control, 4-ways, and trunk release. We've got cup holders that illuminate as well. So if I turn those lights back on, there's the illumination. And in here we've got a USB port auxiliary line in and a 12-volt socket there in the corner as well. So since it's a convertible, I'll go ahead and we'll put the top up so we can see the operation. There it is. Lock this back into place. And this one here. And we'll put up the windows. So you always do the rears first and then the fronts. Perfect. Now we'll hop out with the running. We'll have a look and listen. Nice sound to it. I love the deep rumble. So I'll just show you from the front here with the headlights on. So they're the nice bright HID bulbs with the LED daytime running lights. And we'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Just glimmering, looks great. So I'll show you the roof so you can see the condition. There's no rips or tears. Looks good. And here it is from the back with the nice LED taillights. Nice rumble, nice deep rumble there. There we have it, folks. 2013 Ford Mustang GT in Ingot Silver with red leather interior and matte black stripes with performance exhaust here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.